video, I'm doing a makeup look using the Anastasia Subculture palette. If you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Lorac eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to take the white from the Lorac Pro palette, like a little mini matte one, and just set down the eyeshadow primer I just put on. I'm using the Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm actually going to use a brush that it came with, because I actually like the Anastasia brushes. I'm going to take the shade Dawn and buff this in my crease. It's a lot more orange than I thought it would be, but that's okay. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe M518. Just blend out the edges. I'm going to take the shade Roxy and start buffing this in my crease as well. Picking this up on a Morphe M433. It's just like a natural hair precise blending brush. I'm going to go back into Morphe M518 and blend the edges out. I'm going to take the same color on the Anastasia brush that came in the palette. It's a little bit more precise than the Morphe one that I was just using. Just run that in my crease even more. I'm going to go back into Morphe M518 and blend out the edges. I almost like this color over my lid, but I kind of want to deepen this up a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade and put this in my crease. I'm going to do this like really precisely. Whoa. I kind of like to look up so I can see where my crease is, because I don't have a really defined crease. I don't want it to be too harsh. I just want to see like a hint of blue right where the green will stop. I'm going to go with Morphe M506 and blend this out. And then I'm going to take the shade Electric and apply this on my finger and put this all over my lid. I'm first starting off my finger to get like the most pigmentation close to my lash line. And then I'll move on to like a brush and spray it with MAC Fix Plus probably. I'm just going to take a flat definer brush and take the same shade Electric and spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus to make it more pigmented and help it glide on a little bit easier. I'm going to go back into the Morphe M506. I put a little bit of the blue on it. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not taking any more product on it. It just has whatever I had left on it. I'm just blending this out on the edges. I'm going to go back into Electric and build it up a little bit more. I'm going to take this Scone blending brush and dip into Roxy again I just put this in my crease. And then I'm gonna go back into electric and build this up even more. This is like the top half of my eyes completed. I hope it looks okay. I don't know. I'm gonna clean my eyeshadow with some Bioderma and a Q-tip. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Line Stiletto eyeliner and run this on my top lash line just to create the base of the wing. I'm not gonna do like a huge wing or anything. I'm just gonna do like a really thin wing. I feel like it needs it a little bit, you know. I like the Maybelline Line Stiletto to just do the upper lash line, and then I create a wing with the eyeko Skinny London black eyeliner. It's just a lot more like precise, if you can tell. And this doesn't really give it that good of a wing, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. I just did my eyeliner and I applied some lashes. I used the Ardell lashes in the style 250. I'm gonna move on to my face now. I'm gonna mix together these two foundations, the LA Girl Pro Coverage and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is my favorite foundation mixture. The Maybelline Fit Me is a bit light and a bit matte, and I have pretty dry skin. And the LA Girl is darker and really hydrating. So mixing them together gets me my perfect shade and perfect finish. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. I just primed with my moisturizer. I use the Clinique Moisture Surge. For concealer, I'm going to use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5. Just apply this to all the high points of my face. And blending out same beauty blender. I'm also on my face with this RCMA No Color Powder. For bronzer, I'm using the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Fiesty. For highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with the same shade. And my brow bone. I'm gonna take the same Anastasia palette and go in with Dawn. I run that down there with a fluffy brush. This is a Luxie 213T. gonna take this shade with a definer brush. This is a Morphe G28. And run that down there. And then I'm gonna go into a clean blending brush and blend this all out. I'm gonna take the Luxie 227 and go in with Roxy. And then blend that out with the same crease brush I just used. I'm gonna keep the lower lash line pretty simple, so that's all I'm gonna do for my lower lash line. I'm gonna line my eyes with this NYX eyeliner. This is the Faux Blacks liner in the shade Onyx. And apply this to my top and bottom waterline. It's just like a navy blue kind of color. And then apply some lower lash mascara and the eyes are complete. For lips, I'm going to do a nude. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. That completes this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you're not already. And if you want to see a full list of products I mentioned, you can look in the description box below. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. That completes this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you're not already. I can't say that. Gosh, can you see how dry my skin is? I like to use Maybelline Lens Stiletto to run it on my... Oh, Lord. I'm gonna moisturize my face really quick.